Hello, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to explore a key concept in professional cybersecurity, security frameworks and controls. So far, you have learned how attacks work, how risk is managed, and how attackers think. But there is an important question. How do organizations structure all of this in the real world? Because understanding security is one thing, but applying it in a structured way inside an organization is something completely different. In this video, you will learn how companies build security using frameworks such as NIST, ISO 27001, and CIS Controls, and why this is what separates improvised security from professional security. Now that we understand this, let's answer the first key question. What is a security framework? A framework is a structured guideline that defines what to protect, how to protect it, how to detect issues, and how to respond to incidents. It is not a tool. It is a way to organize security. Without a framework, there is no strategy, only reaction. Controls are the practical part. They are the actual actions you implement. Examples: enable multi-factor authentication, restrict access, monitor logs, encrypt data. The framework tells you what to do. Controls define how you do it. NIST is one of the most widely used frameworks. It is based on 5 functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Real example: an analyst receives an alert. First, they detect the event, then investigate what happened. Next, they contain the attack. Finally, they help recover the system. That is NIST in action. ISO 27001 is an international standard. It focuses on how organizations manage security. It includes policies, audits, processes, and compliance. Real example: a company wants to work with a bank. The bank requires ISO certification. Without it, no contract. CIS is practical and direct. It provides prioritized controls. It tells you exactly what to implement. Examples: asset inventory, secure configurations, access control, continuous monitoring. It is ideal for moving from theory to action. Now the key point: when to use each. NIST is used for strategy and operations. ISO is used for compliance and auditing. CIS is used for technical implementation. In real companies, they are used together. Imagine a ransomware attack. The company detects suspicious activity, activates incident response, isolates affected systems, applies technical controls, and reports the incident. All of this follows defined frameworks. As an analyst, you do not choose the framework, but you operate within it. Your role is to detect, analyze, escalate, document, following defined processes. Common mistake: companies buy tools, but have no framework. Result: alerts without context, slow response, and critical mistakes. A professional environment works like this. NIST guides, CIS implements, ISO validates. That creates real security. Professional security is not improvised. It is structured. In the next video, we will explore a key pillar: identity and access control. Understand, defend, grow.